Hi guys, let's create a stock price tracker and with a graph in it so that you can easily track the prices of any stock. So just in the first column write down the symbol name of that stock. So whenever you go towards any stock, it has a unique symbol name. Okay, so just type them in the first column. The second column, just type the name so that you can easily identify the stock. Now let's start with the third column where you will use Google Finance function. So let's say we want to track here price. So write the heading price. Now in the first column, just double click on it and type Google Finance. Okay, click on it. And now just either select it or type A2 because A2 is the starting of your symbol names. Then enter a comma and then inside the double quote type price. Close the double quote, close the bracket and hit enter. And it will show you the price. Just select the first cell and just drag it to the last and it will show you the price, each stock's price. Similarly, you can find out many things. I have given this link of google.com where there are many things which you can find it: price, high, low, volume, market cap, trade time, whatever you want to see for that. Okay, for example, I want market cap. So just double click on it, copy this formula and just double click on the next cells, paste it, and here just type market cap. Okay, hit enter and the market cap will be listed. Okay, just drag it down like this and you will see the market cap. If you want to know the change percentage, so let's say you want to know the change percentage, so how much the price of the stock has changed from the last day, then you can use change percentage. Okay, this percentage, so change in price since the previous trading day close. Just double click on it, copy the formula, double click on it, paste the formula, and just change the price to change percentage, change PCT. Okay, the keyword. Hit enter and it'll show you the change percent. Just select the first cell and drag it like this and you will see the change percent. You can also color it according to the change percentage so that you can better identify that stock is moving positively or negatively. So let's say you select this and just click on format and click on conditional formatting and format cells if is greater than or equal to, let's say, 0, then just turn it to green. Okay, so in this way you can also add another rule: if value is less than 0, just try to put it like this. Okay, so in this way you can see it. Now let's move to the most important aspect, and that is adding graph, and which is very interesting. Takes a bigger formula. Now here we will display the graph. Now for the graph we have this code. Okay, I'm sharing this code in the description of this video, so you can copy this code from there, or you can click on the Google Sheet link and after clicking on the cell you can find this code. Okay, so what this code does, it uses the sparkline function and under it uses index Google Finance. Now the A2 is here, the first cell of the first column. Now it tracks the price graph from today minus this E1. So in the E1, whatever values we will write, it will track the price from that date. Okay, so if we write 30, it will track the 30-day price graph. It will create the 30-day price graph. Okay, and it shows chart type column, color is equals to green, which you can customize. So let's type it, copy and paste it. So it's customized according to your situation. So here E2 is this, and this, the first E1 will be the place where you will put the number of days. So let's put the number of days as, let's say, 30. Okay, hit enter, and you will see the graph is being displayed. If you change it to 200, hit enter, and the graph will be displayed. Okay, now you can make it bigger. Just hover the mouse over here and now just make it bigger, larger. Just click on the first cell and just drag it like this. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please do like.